YouTubers, Truck Driving Mylan here. Another installment of the O-ring replacement on the 41 Farmall A. I got new piston pin bushings installed. Took it to a machine shop. Here's one of the old bushings. They weren't in the best of shape. I pressed it out of the pistons, the old pistons, with a couple of sockets, one larger socket on the bottom and a smaller socket on top. Used a shop hydraulic press, pressed them out, and the new ones had to have this opening bored out about 20 thousandths to get the new piston pin bushings to go in. They're the right part number for the connecting rod, but for some reason they were just a tad too big, and then they had to be reamed to get the piston pins to fit, and they were at the machine shop for a couple weeks to get that operation done. Got new bearings for the bottom of the connecting rod. Here's the new pistons. I got that from Bates. Gonna put those in today. I probably showed these before, but don't know how well that'll show up on camera. There's some scoring on the old pistons. If you remember, I had the broken ring and wasn't able to source replacement ring for the one broken ring, so there's one of them. Where's the broken one? Down there. Yeah, that's a no good. That was from the number 4 cylinder. Don't know if it broke pulling it out or if it was already broken, because I was underneath the tractor when I pushed it out. I had all this degreased and cleaned up, but it's been a good month since, like I said, the rods were at the shop for 2 weeks. Here's the new connecting rod bearings. Got some ultra slick to lube everything up. Piston ring compressor. There's the new sleeves. Got a little flash rust. Gonna have to get rid of that. Like I said, it's been a month since I've messed with this. Rods were at the shop for a couple weeks. Lost power for a week. Had to run the generator. Still need to power wash the head. That was after soaking in some evaporust. Radiator. That kept everything going for a week. 32 bucks a day in gasoline for our 6-day long power outage. And we also went to Oshkosh Air Show. I might put up some video of that for those of you that are in the airplanes. But that's going to be the what's gonna be going on today? Gotta install the pistons and the connecting rods, put the new bearings on. Oh, and also had a job, landscaping job that took up a few days with the old Bobcat. Spread about 300 yards of compost for a neighbor. And it kept me busy for several days. So, no video of that, sorry. But, seem to misplace my tripod. I'll see if I can locate that and get some more footage for you. Okay, found my tripod. Now, here we go. You got the snap ring that has to come out. Just like that. And easily this can push out. Not too bad. These pistons are omnidirectional, which means there's no arrow indicating front from back. There's no concave or crater piston, whatever you want to call it. So, has a little yellow dot. That just might be an inspection mark. So, on the side of the connecting rod, you see it's stamped with the numbers. So I guess I'll put the numbers towards the front. The numbers go towards the camshaft side. There we go. Put some oil in this. Make that go a little smoother. So, camshaft to go that way. Piston right in. Might need a little persuasion. There we go. A little more. And she's in. Numbers go towards the camshaft. And we got to put our clip back in. Hopefully she don't go sailing. Go. Say you want your clips to be vertical. If you have them sideways, the up and down motion of the piston could actually, in theory, pop that clip out. And you don't want that to happen. Check both sides. And that's all there is to installing your pistons on your crankshaft. Won't bore you with doing all four of them. Okay, got all the connecting rods assembled. Here's my bearings. There's a notch and a notch. You want to make sure your surfaces are clean. Now these are 20 thousandths undersized. Don't like that. Right out of the box. Little scratch. This also has a notch. As I said, this engine has been rebuilt at some point in time. Put these on. I know the lights make it glare. Sorry. Permatex Ultra Slick, so you don't end up with a dry start. End up spinning a bearing. That's the last thing you want. But yeah, stuff gets stringy. It's a sticky. But that's the whole idea, and you know, line up stamp number to the stamp number when you assemble it. 1 down, 3 to go. Okay, all the bearings are installed. The next step would be to install the piston. What you don't want is to have all your rings in line with each other. You see that? You want to stagger your ring gaps. And where's the gap for the oil ring? Alright. Get your piston ring compressor. Want that to be 90 degrees. From the marking, oil this up. Guess you can't turn that by hand. Aligned. In frame. Sorry, my low battery. coming on. Okay. Remember numbers on top, my piston face numbers, and connecting rod in the same direction. Spun around here. Chain frame. I already cleaned all this out. These nuts will have to come out before they go off the crankshaft. And the connecting rod journal off to the side. Get all the oil off my fingers. Piece of wood. Have the piston down. Quick. There it goes. Ta-da! Rinse and repeat. Okay. Got all 4 pistons in. My battery's down to 1%. Get a quick look underneath. Oh. Hit everything with some fogging oil. The rod caps get torqued to 40 foot-pounds. There you be. Next step be to clean that out, the head, get that installed, get the oil pan all cleaned out and reinstalled. I hit it with fogging oil, so she's pretty heavy. So yeah, you can see some spots where some cooked oil got on the block. 80 years old. Been nice to take the block out to get what do you call it, hot tank, all that good stuff. But she ain't doing no heavy farm work in the future, so it's as good as it's gonna get for now.